Casement windows are becoming an increasingly popular choice for homeowners in Slidell, and for good reason. With the area's warm, humid climate, proper ventilation isn't just about comfort, it's essential for maintaining a healthy and energy-efficient home. Casement windows offer a simple yet highly effective solution that helps homeowners maximize airflow while enhancing everyday living. Unlike traditional double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. This design allows them to catch passing breezes and direct fresh air straight into your home. In a place like Slidell, where airflow can make a big difference in indoor comfort, this feature is especially valuable. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to fully open. Because there's no central rail blocking airflow, the entire window space is used for ventilation. This means more fresh air enters your home compared to other window styles that only open halfway. Whether you're trying to cool down your living room in the afternoon or bring in a fresh breeze during the evening, casement windows make it easier to regulate indoor temperatures naturally. Another key benefit is how well casement windows capture side breezes. Slidell often experiences gentle winds that don't always blow directly toward your home. Casement windows can be angled to act almost like a sail, catching these breezes and funneling them indoors. This makes them particularly effective in rooms that don't get strong direct airflow, such as bedrooms on the shaded side of the house or areas surrounded by landscaping. Improved ventilation also contributes to better indoor air quality. In humid environments like Slidell, stagnant air can lead to excess moisture, which may cause mold, mildew, and unpleasant odors. By allowing more consistent airflow, casement windows help reduce humidity levels inside the home. This not only protects your property but also creates a healthier environment for your family. Energy efficiency is another reason homeowners are turning to casement windows. When your home is properly ventilated, you rely less on air conditioning to stay comfortable. This can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills, especially during the warmer months. Additionally, casement windows are designed with tight seals that prevent air leaks when closed, helping maintain indoor temperatures when you do use your HVAC system. Ease of use is a practical benefit that shouldn't be overlooked. Casement windows typically operate with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach places like above kitchen sinks or countertops. This convenience encourages homeowners to use their windows more often, which naturally improves airflow throughout the home. Casement windows also pair well with modern home designs while still complementing traditional styles found throughout Slidell neighborhoods. Their clean, unobstructed glass panes provide clear views of the outdoors and allow more natural light to enter, creating brighter and more inviting living spaces. For homeowners who value both comfort and functionality, casement windows offer a smart upgrade. They not only enhance ventilation but also support healthier indoor air, improve energy efficiency, and add aesthetic appeal to your home. In a climate like Slidell's, where airflow plays a crucial role in daily comfort, investing in the right windows can make a significant difference. If you're looking to improve ventilation and create a more comfortable living environment, casement windows are a solution worth considering.